What was that?
Those who oppose us!
That's not right. I was just behind you.
Some bastards turned off St. Pierre. Bloody fire with the bloody bishops, is that so? What's that there? Shit! Christ. Some bastards turned off St. Pierre.
He's just bloody skulked off, hasn't he?
Who's still there?
Christ.
Shit!
We may.
Bloody hell.
What's happened?
Marcoux.
Some bastards turned off St. Pierre. Leon, what's happened? Leon, what's happened?
Bloody Migny. Dead?
Some bastards turned off St. Pierre. Citizen, stop right there! Orson, where are you? Come out, you murdering bastard! Step back here! I'll save your skin! This is my pipe! There you are! Ha! Stay away if you want to live! Stop you! Yes, you! You're mine!
repart sétier, c'est une occasion à saisir. Alors, il n'y en aura pas pour tout le monde. Oui, monsieur, bien mon appel petit esprit.
Je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Un divertissement intéressant.
Je ne dis pas que la tradition...
Who are the revolutionaries?
Ils sont toutes comme ça.
Hey, you! Stay there!
Something's not
Very
right.
well. Where are you gonna run to?
Shooting? What was that? Could have sworn you came this way.
What happened here?
Germain's got some kind of weapon. I've never seen its like before. He got away from me. Elise!
Mademoiselle de la Serre as well. This is quite the reunion.
Stay hidden. Keep him talking.
Did you think this day would never come? That because François de la Serre had no sons to avenge him, that your crime would go unanswered?
Revenge, is it? Your vision is as narrow as your father's.
You're one to talk. How wide of vision was your grab for
Skulk
power?
all you like. It makes no difference. Power. I have you now! There you are! Power? No. You're smarter than that. This was never about power. It's always been about control. Did your father teach you nothing? The Order has grown complacent. I will find you. Here you are! For centuries, we focused our attention on the trappings of power, the titles of nobility, the offices of church and state, caught in the very lie we crafted to cover the masses.
I'll kill you!
You cannot hide from me, boy. You... Hello, assassin! You're not listening. Killing me won't stop anything. When our brother Templars see the old institutions crumble, they will adapt. They will retreat to the shadows, and we will at last be the secret masters we were meant to be. Do you think yourself safe from your shadows? I see you, assassin. So come, kill me if you can. Unless you can miracle up a new king and halt the revolution in its I've already won. There you are.
Did you think this day would never come? That because Francois de la Serre had no sons to avenge him, that your crime would go unanswered?
Revenge, is it? Your vision is as narrow as your father's.
You're one to talk. How wide of vision was your grab for power?
Power? No. You're smarter than that. This was never about power. It's always been about control. The darkness cannot... Here you are! This was never about power. It's always been about control. Did your father teach you nothing? The Order has grown complacent. For centuries, we focused our attention on the trappings of power. So obsessed with clinging to the trapping. I see you, assassin. So obsessed with clinging to the trappings of power, we abandoned our purpose. Caught in the very lie we crafted to shepherd the masses. Skulk all you like. It makes no difference.
I'll kill you!
And you think that will accomplish anything? In the wake of revolution, the Order will adapt. They will retreat to the shadows, and we will, at last, be the secret masters we were meant to be. So come! Kill me if you can! I've already won.
I can't find an opening!
We'll have to take him together.
I can't find an opening!
We'll have to take him together.
I commend you for making it this far, but there is no victory for you here. You cannot hide from me, boy.
Oh no!
I'm stuck!
He's getting away.
Wait, I'm almost free.
I can take him.
No, you can't. Not alone. Wait for me!
I'm sorry.
Elise! 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 No.
Bravo. You've slain the villain. That is how you cast this little morality play in your mind, isn't it? Oh, I'm not really here. I'm not really there either. At the moment, I'm bleeding out in the floor of the temple. But it seems the Father of Understanding has seen fit to give us this time to talk. A particular favorite of mine. I did not understand the visions that haunted my mind, you see. Great towers of gold, cities shining white as silver. I thought I was going mad. And I found this place. Jacques de Molay's vault. Through his writings, I understood.
Understood what?
Somehow, through the centuries, I was connected to Grand Master de Molay. And that I'd been chosen to purge the order of decadence and corruption that had set in like rot. And to wash the world clean. And restore to the truth the Father of Understanding intended.
That seems to have gone over well.
Prophets are seldom appreciated in their own time. Exiled in the basement forced me to reevaluate my strategy. Find new avenues for the realization of my purpose.
No matter the cost.
A new order never comes without destruction of the old. And if men are made to fear untrammeled liberty,